Let's go, y'all. Yes, sir. It's your boy Terrence Carter. TC Talks, TC Fitness. Maneuvering through this matrix, man. I'm here. Back at it again with another YouTube video for y'all. I'm gonna keep it a rip with y'all. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all off the rip. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all off the rip. Yesterday, I took my driver's exam for the USPS, and I did great. I just messed up on one part. Literally, I messed up on the last part. So I gotta retake it again. So I'm just telling y'all that off the rip. I don't care, bro. Get that out the way. Now, I gotta wait a couple weeks so I had to reapply for the whole entire process. So it is what it is. I'm not even mad. Like I said, I did way better. But today's video, as y'all can see, I'm out here in New York City. It's another day on the grind. I'm gonna use my energy to my advantage. Right now, it's breakfast rush for the Uber Eats grind. And I'm about to go pick up my second delivery of the day. I just started, just finished dropping off the Chick-fil-A one. I did not screenshot the payout for this one, but I am picking up from Juice Generation. I want to give a huge shout out to everybody that's been supporting me on the YouTube platform. All the returning supporters, all the new supporters, thank y'all, real talk. If you're new to my channel and you want to help me expand and grow on this YouTube platform, all you gotta do is give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. And be sure to leave your comments below. And that's it, man. It's another day to get better. It's another day to improve. And yeah, man, that's it. I'm bringing y'all more content. Make sure y'all buying y'all stocks. Because if you ain't investing no money, you doing something wrong. Alright? But, like I said, I'm on my way to go and pick up my second order of the day from Juice Generation. And I'll see y'all when I get there.
If you're not evolving, you're doing something wrong.
Just made it to Juice Generation. Let's go pick this one up. Oh yeah, this payout is like a little bit over $5. So let's go. So I just finished dropping off that second order of the day. I'm on my way now to go pick up my third order. Pick it up from CVS to do a shop and pay. The customer only got 3 items. And there, the drop off is not far. So I'm gonna get these 3 items out the way. And I will let y'all know once I'm finished picking up the order. So, just finished that shop and pay from CVS. Just finished doing the pickups. So now I'm on my way to go and drop this stuff off, man. Like I told you, the drop off location is not even far. Let's go, let's get it done. I'll see y'all once they send me my fourth delivery. Let's go. Alright, so I'm close to the drop-off location, and just like that, they sent me number 4. So another shop and pay. Let's get these done. Picking up from Morton Williams. Customer only got 3 items, and that drop-off location is not far at all. So let's go. This video, it's gonna be a great video. Alright, it's gonna be a great video. Let's crack this YouTube algorithm. Let's keep growing on this YouTube platform. Like I tell y'all all the time, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, okay? Give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. That's it, man. I'm keeping my foot on the gas with this YouTube journey, bro. Word. But like I said, 3 items. Go and get that out the way, and I will see y'all once I'm finished at Morton Williams. So I just finished doing my pickup at Morton Williams, as y'all can see. About to go drop this off now, get this one done. So after I complete this delivery, that's gonna be 4 on the day so far, and I will see y'all once I am on my 5th delivery. Just finished getting that shop and pay dropped off from Morton Williams, and now I'm on my way to my 5th delivery. About to do another shop and pay from Dwayne Reed this time. Customer only got 2 items, so gonna get those 2 items picked up, get this delivery dropped off, and I'll let y'all know once I'm finished with that one. So just got that shop and pay pickup out the way. Let's go drop it off now. Like I said, the customer only got 2 items. So once I'm finished with this drop off and I get my 6th delivery of the day, I'll make sure I let y'all know. Alright, so I just finished doing that 5th drop off, and y'all already know what happens, bro. Like, Uber takes you off the app until it's busy again. It's always busy. But once they allow me back on the app and I get my next delivery of the day, I'll make sure I let y'all know. Alright, y'all, so they just let me back on the app for lunch rush. About to go pick up my first order now from Bagel Works, and then drop off location not too far. Let's go get this one done. Alright, so just finished picking up from Bagel Works, and now I'm on my way to go drop this off. Let's have a great lunch rush. Let's get it done. So I'm close to the drop off location for the 6th delivery, and they sent me number 7 on the day. So picking up from some grill place. It's like a kebab and grill place, whatever. So go get that one done. Drop off location is not that far. Once I pick up the food, I'll be sure to let y'all guys know. So I thought it was a store that I pick it up from, but in reality, it's a truck. So, van, whatever you call it. Truck, van, same thing. But pick it up from there. Get it done, man. So, just finished dropping off delivery number 7 on the day. And now I'm on my way to Panda Express to go pick up number 8. That drop off is further back this way, buddy. But let's get it done, man. I see y'all at Panda Express. Alright, so they sent me an add-on, picking up for Mala Project. I hope I said it right. Malaya Project. Listen, man. I hope I said it right. So that pickup is a couple blocks from Panda Express. Feel me? So I'm gonna go pick up this Panda Express one and then go pick up the add-on. And yeah, I'll see y'all once I finish picking up those 2 blocks. Alright, just dropped off that first order. Now it's time to go drop off the second one. So just like that, I got those 2 deliveries out the way. And now I'm on my way to go pick up number 10 on the day. That's right. So, I'm picking up from some store. I forgot the name of it. Not even going to front to y'all. Drop off is not too far. But yeah, let's go get this one done. Look, y'all. They got the Christmas tree up ready. And we not even in November yet. My God. But yeah, let's go get this picked up and dropped off. And I'll see y'all once I'm finished. Alright, y'all, just dropped off number 10, and now I'm on my way to go pick up number 11. They sent me a pick it up from Chick-fil-A. Drop off is 4 blocks away, 5 blocks away. So let's go get it done. Yeah, y'all know who got some, like, low-key, who got some fire music? Damian Lillard. I ain't going for it. The basketball player, he calls himself Dame Dollar, right? Dame Dollar. So if y'all search up his music, he fake got some high music, bro. I ain't gonna front to y'all. Word. But let's go pick up this Chick-fil-A order. Chick-fil-A literally is right here. Well, I'm about to show y'all in 2 seconds. It's literally right around the corner from the drop off that I just did. I never been here before. Spicy. But yeah, we out here. Chick-fil-A. pick up this order right quick. I'll see y'all once I'm finished. Alright, y'all, so on my way to go pick up the 12th delivery of the day. Pick it up from Potbelly. Drop off is a couple avenues down. And it's raining out there. So hopefully though, let's keep our fingers crossed. Hopefully some of these customers see some tips, man. My goodness gracious. But I'll see y'all after. Alright, y'all, so I just picked up that delivery from Potbelly, about to go drop it off. So the reason why I be saying like some of these customers need to tip is because I gotta tell y'all all the time, bro, like I'm just like y'all. I take care of my bills, my responsibilities, you feel me? And when you out here, right, in a gig economy, I go first. Like even if a customer tips you like $2, $3, $4, $5, it adds up. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all may think like, oh, y'all on the app, y'all gonna make money anyway. But that's not the point, bro. Because it's not like these gig apps is paying you $20, $30 each delivery. Like, nah, bro. You get probably like, y'all be seeing whatever screenshot it there, that's what y'all see. You know what I'm saying? So then you have to take into consideration, like I use this as my full-time income. And then you also gotta remember too, bro, like when you do a gig work, you gotta set money aside for taxes. So it's just like, yeah, people just gotta understand the gig economy more. You know what I'm saying? And that's it. And I get it. Like you can sit there and say, oh, keep looking for jobs. Y'all already know, bro. They already know my process, my journey. I reapplied for the USPS, and that's it. I'm trying to make it work with this YouTube grind and stay true to the stock market. But yeah, I just wanted to express that. So I'm close to the drop-off location for number 12, and they sent me another delivery. Pick it up for McDonald's. And the drop-off is right back on the other side. So I'll see y'all once I get to McDonald's. Alright, you guys, so after declining a couple orders that was like kind of trash, they ended up like taking me off the app. I am scheduled though for 5 p.m. even though time now, bro. You feel me? So I'm gonna end the video here. I want to say thank you to anybody that stayed throughout the whole entire video. If you are new to my YouTube channel and you want to help me grow this platform, grow this channel, just subscribe. Give today's video a thumbs up if you embrace the transparency. And I'll also show y'all my total so far on the day after 13 deliveries. And yeah, that's it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also too, I'm gonna start, y'all already know, man, I'm gonna continue to make SR content, things like that. I know I have to do what's best for the community, and most importantly, I have to do what's best for myself. So thank y'all for rocking out with me. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. Yes, sir.